Hello and welcome to the channel. It's Mike with Albright Pressure Washing and more here. Today's job brings us to the north side of a house, a side covered in unsightly green algae. Before we get started, we're on the lookout for any open electrical outlets and ensuring all windows are securely closed. Safety and preparation are important when pressure washing a customer's home. Now, on to the transformation. Our first move, starting from the ground up, applying cleaner through a downstream injector. This technique guarantees an evenly distributed coating of soap on all areas, allowing it to kill algae and make it easier to rinse away. After a few minutes, the algae starts to disappear. We then follow up with a good rinse in a low pressure setting. As always, thanks for watching and we will see you on the next one.